Hello students, this is our third lecture of class 8 on matter. Today we are going to discuss states of matter. We know there are three states of matter: number 1 solid, number 2 liquid, and number 3 gas. Now we are going to discuss the properties which decides the state of matter, whether it is solid, whether it is liquid, or it is gas. Those three properties are intermolecular space, force of attraction between the molecules, and number 3, kinetic energy of the molecules due to their motion of the molecules. Okay. Now we know in case of solid there are very less intermolecular space. Now the question arises, why? Because the force of attraction between the molecules in the solid is very large. So due to the large attraction force between the molecules, the intermolecular space is very low. It is very negligible in case of solid, the intermolecular space. And due to the less intermolecular space, the kinetic energy of the molecule of solid is very small. The molecules of solid just execute vibrating motion about a mean position. Okay. Whether in case of liquid, the force of attraction between them, in case of liquid, the force of attraction between the molecules is little much less than in case of solid. That is why the intermolecular space is greater than in case of solid. So the kinetic energy of the molecules of in case of liquid is greater than in case of solid. So they can flow. We know the liquid can flow. So due to the kinetic energy of their molecules. Okay. Now in case of gas, we know the force of attraction between the gas molecule is negligible. So due to the negligible force of attraction, the intermolecular space is very large, and maximum in between solid, liquid, and gas. Gas has maximum intermolecular space, and the molecules of gas has random motion, so their kinetic energy is very large. Okay.